In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Duolingo coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Duolingo coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called WordPenny. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some benefits and discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one, it's up to 50% discount. All you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy and you can use this promo code so that you can get a 5 or 50% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have another website which is called promo codes. And right here we have some deals and some promo codes as you can see as well. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 10% discount right here. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says use coupon. And as you can see for this one, there is no voucher code required. So once you select this button right here, you will be redirected to the website and the promotion will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.